Hi, welcome to my Northern Thailand vlog, where I will share my journey traveling from Kuala Lumpur up to Chiang Mai by train. Hi, good morning. Hi, this is day 2 of our Northern Thailand trip. So today we're gonna catch a ferry, but someone is gonna pick us up at train station at 9:30. It's included in the package when you buy for the ferry. You can choose the destination of the pickup. Yeah, today is gonna be an exciting day because it's gonna be an island day. We're gonna stay at Koh Tao for 3 days. Then after that, we're gonna continue with our train journey. Okay? The railway station is back there, and the office is here. And we're going to the bus, which is there. And go to this cute cafe. The owner is so nice. It's called Mafro Cafe. The owner is so nice, so friendly, so pretty. Thank you if you're watching this, which you will not. This is for 2 person?
Yes,
Okay.
this one for 2 person.
Found chicken! We are heading to the ferry. Koh Tao. Koh Tao. Koh Tao.
Koh Tao, change another boat in Koh Phangan.
Oh,
The last stop.
alright. Okay.
The first stop got Samui, you stay.
Okay. There's a party going on here. Everybody went down already because it was raining. Hi, we are still sick. Okay, I am still sick from
Still traumatized.
from the motion sickness because the boat, the ferry just now, the water just now. Oh my god, it's just so freaking choppy because it was raining
was
like crazy, and we were all soaked in rain. Now we just got up and we are hungry. We are going to eat at Sairi. Sairi what?
Sairi je nama dia.
At Sairi.
What are we gonna eat? Thai food? Western?
Tengok dulu apa dapat. So I will show you guys the town later. I was really sick that night, couldn't record anything else, so we just had some rice and headed back to the hotel. Look at that sea. Oof. What is this?
Macam nak stop dia? Tolong! Cannot, it's so high.
Sekejap, aku
Oh, dia
cari
tinggi
orang.
tu lah. Help me!
Our transport has arrived. Huh?
Like Maria.
Wow! Are you ready for a roller coaster ride?
Let us slide. Let us slide.
Let us slide! Sini ah!
Dah sliding sampai di sini dah. Mana? Aku tak ada tenaga ni.
Turun bukit all the way.
Curang ni.
Maybe you cannot see in the video, but it's actually very yeah. What's curam in English? Huh? Steep. Very steep. We're on the way to town. We're gonna find something to eat. We're gonna lepak by the beach and get to the hotel later. We have arrived at the town. Aduh. We just finished a massage at what's this called? Majestic Spa. Oh my god. I've been traveling Southeast Asia for quite some time already. I've been to Thailand for I don't know many times. This is so far the best massage ever. Tolonglah pergi Majestic Spa dekat Ferry Beach. The girl who massage me dah lah glamour, cantik. Hai, sedap betul. Kim punya sedap.
Sedap. Slightly pricey, but it's worth the price.
Semalam we went to massage juga, foot massage somewhere else dekat depan tu lah. Ya ampun, macam nak tidur. Dia yang macam nak tidur, bukan aku. Oh, it's so steep. Chicken, please. Very hilly. So, if you don't know how to bawa your motorbike, I mean you're not confident, then I think you shouldn't just take transport because I am not confident with this very steep hill. Going up the hill and round out the hill, going to the beach to swim. Get to the beach.
Woo, we're going down on a roller coaster ride. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Look at the view.
Look at this view.
Let's go to the beach.
Let's go to the beach. Banana rock bar. Oh, they have a rock bar.
Oh, it's cold.
Ah, that was this.
Be careful. Sampai tak?
Sampai, tapi kalau ombak lalu dia jadi dalam.
I'll just stay here. Whoa, 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 whoa. Our swimmer championship.
Okay, already tired.
Hi. Are you open? Are you open? Are you open? Got food? Oh, no food. Only drinks. Okay. Alright, thank you. Gonna go get some food. Close? Oh.
Oh, close.
So no more food?
No food now, only ring more 1 hour we open because you know about Ferry boat from Surathani down.
Yeah.
After in the kitchen, nothing everywhere.
Ferry from Sulani go down?
Yeah, last night before yesterday. Yeah, everywhere nothing in the kitchen before the pier. Something for kitchen. No help.
Everybody okay?
Okay. Good. Every people good. Very lucky. Yeah.
Alright, okay.
Neighbor come from Surathani 5 o'clock to Koh Tao.
Okay.
Yeah,
Alright.
bring something for kitchen. Bring your friend come to Koh Tao.
Alright, never
5
mind.
o'clock. Yeah.
Okay, thank
Sorry,
you.
1 hour nah. You come to eat. We
Okay.
wait. Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
Yeah. Every people lucky. No people die.
Provides free transport. There's a set schedule for the free shuttle, I think about 4 or 5 times in a day. But let's say if you don't want to take the free shuttle because the timing's not right for you, you can always request from the receptionist, and the cost is gonna be 50 to 100 baht per person, right? 50 to 100 baht per person.
Yeah, eating Mexican tonight. Because chicken is kampunan.
They have chicken shawarma.
Ooh. Thank you. People watching. She's drinking Pina Colada. No alcohol.
Okay, you take the picture with you and then in Google Maps you recommendation.
That's it.
Hello, this is our welcome juice for another restaurant, Betty. The restaurant name is the Betty, the Arabian restaurant. Yeah, this is the rosy juice from the rosy flower. Yeah, this is good for healthy and then diet. Good for diet. Yeah.
Alright,
Thank you. Thank you, Kak.
Macam Ribena.
It's like Ribena, exactly. Is it Ribena or is it rose? Sedap. Sedap.
Sedap. are you?
Huh? You having a good life? Huh?
Ni kucing tadi kan?
Huh?
Day 5.
Huh. 10 more days to go for our Northern Thailand trip. We have the city, we have the village, we have the island, we have the cold place. It's all in one trip. Hi, so we're back at Suratani now. Our train is at 10 p.m. tonight, so we want to find something to eat, but it seems like a very dead town. Like nobody opens their shop on Sunday. No food at all. My only option is 7-Eleven.